I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get ultra frame rate in CODM. First, verify your device meets the necessary specifications for optimal performance. Next, close any unnecessary background applications running on your phone to free up valuable processing power. Finally, ensure you are connected to a strong and stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to prevent any network-related lag or frame drops during gameplay. Now, let's dive into the game settings. Open Call of Duty Mobile and head over to the graphics menu. Here, you'll want to adjust your graphic quality to either low or very low. This significantly reduces the visual load on your device. Crucially, set your frame rate option to ultra or the highest setting your device allows. This combination prioritizes smooth gameplay over visual fidelity. Beyond in-game adjustments, your device's overall performance settings are key. Activate any built-in game booster or performance mode your phone offers. Maintaining a cool device is also vital. Overheating can severely limit your frame rate, so consider a cooling fan or simply taking breaks. Lastly, while not directly frame rate related, using a gaming trigger can enhance your overall experience by improving input speed. For an even smoother experience, regularly clear your Call of Duty mobile game cache to remove any accumulated temporary files that might slow things down. Always keep both your game and your device's operating system updated to the latest versions, as these often include performance enhancements and bug fixes. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup or just your living space, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your ultra frame rate gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.